Think making money on YouTube requires recording videos yourself? Think again. In this video, I'll reveal 8 unique YouTube niches where you don't have to film, edit, or even show your face, yet you can still build a successful automated channel. With YouTube automation, creators are generating passive income without stepping in front of a camera. But many fail because they enter oversaturated markets like general tech or fax. Instead, I've done the research to find less competitive, high-potential niches you can start today. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. I give away a fully monetized YouTube channel every month to one lucky viewer. 1. Meme compilation. Channel memes dominate the internet. People can't get enough of them. This niche thrives because humor is one of the most shared types of content online. Here's how you can start. Gather trending memes and create compilations. Add a unique twist, text commentary, reactions, or a ranking format. Use free tools like Capwing or Canva to edit quickly. A quick YouTube search for video memes will show you just how well this type of content performs. High engagement and easy content creation make this a fantastic niche. Second, movie analysis and review channel. Movies generate endless discussion, and review channels attract huge audiences who want in-depth insights. Unlike personality-driven reviewers, you can create voice-over-driven content using stock footage and movie clips under fair use. Slide-based reviews breaking down key moments. Text-based storytelling to highlight interesting facts. For proof, check out channels reviewing films like Venom. Some rely entirely on edited footage and voiceovers, avoiding any need for on-camera presence. 3. Motivational quotes and success stories. People love hearing powerful words from great minds. A motivational quotes channel can be built entirely from existing wisdom, making content creation effortless. Here's how. Compile quotes from famous figures like Elon Musk or Warren Buffett. Use text animations or slideshow videos with inspiring visuals. Add a deep, engaging voiceover or even AI-generated narration. Search motivational quotes on YouTube, and you'll see many channels generating millions of views with this simple yet impactful approach. 4. Health and weight loss. Tips. The demand for weight loss advice never fades. It's an evergreen topic that attracts both high views and strong monetization opportunities. Why this niche works. People are always looking for quick, effective health tips. You can earn through affiliate links promoting weight loss products. There's a constant flow of new content ideas, from diet trends to workout tips. A quick search for how to lose weight will show you dozens of ways people create content without filming. Animated explainers, slideshow presentations, and infographic-based videos all work great in this space. 5. Pet care and animal facts. Pet owners love watching content about dogs, cats, and other animals. A pets-focused channel has high engagement potential, making it a strong option for an automated channel. Here's how you can do it. Create slideshows with adorable dog and cat images. Compile viral pet videos under fair use with added commentary. Educate pet owners on training tips, behavior guides, and health facts. Look up Top 10 Most Dangerous Dog Breeds on YouTube. You'll see plenty of channels gaining millions of views just by compiling information in an entertaining way. 6. Gaming commentary and highlights. Gaming is one of the most lucrative niches, but instead of just playing, you can focus on gaming highlights and commentary without ever touching a controller. A great approach is to create lists of best moments from games like Fortnite or Minecraft, compile gaming fails and funny reactions, cover gaming news, updates, and rankings. A quick search for Top 5 Gaming will show channels that only edit and narrate gameplay, proving that you don't need to play games yourself to succeed in this niche. 7. Self-improvement and personal growth. People want to improve their lives, whether it's gaining confidence, becoming productive, or learning social skills. A personal development channel can be built without filming yourself by using animated explainer videos to break down concepts, compiling life-changing lessons from books or experts, creating list-style content like 10 Habits of Successful People. Check out Top Think on YouTube. This channel uses a combination of text animations and engaging narration, making it a great example to follow. 8. Celebrity lifestyles and net worth. Celebrities are always trending, and fans constantly search for content about their favorite stars. A celebrity-focused channel can be built without personal involvement by covering their lifestyles, net worth, and assets, using publicly available images and stock footage, adding voiceover narration, or text-based storytelling. For example, search Billie Eilish lifestyle on YouTube. Many channels simply use a slideshow format with narration to cover celebrities, and they pull in massive views with minimal effort. Conclusion. That's a wrap on 8 powerful YouTube niches that allow you to build a profitable channel without ever making videos yourself. Now, which one excites you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video was helpful, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future strategies on how to grow on YouTube. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.